Hello everyone, we are thrilled to announce the latest CAPS exam results and we have got some incredible success stories to share. So we have Mohini Sharma with us now who has cleared her CAPS exam on her first attempt despite having almost a 9-year gap in her studies. So let's dive into her inspiring journey and discover her secrets to her success. So hi Mohini.
Hi everyone.
Hello. First of all, congratulations on passing your exam.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much.
So, could you please tell us which place and college you are from?
Actually, I did my B Pharma in
Mm-hmm.
2013. Then I did my M Pharma from India only in 2015. So since then,
Okay.
I was working in a pharmaceutical industry sector. And
Okay.
this year in April, I moved to Melbourne and I was not able to find out job anywhere. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
there are no pharmaceutical industries here. So one of my
Right.
friend, she also took coaching from Elite Expertise and
Okay.
she also cleared in her first attempt itself in March
Yeah,
2024.
that's great
So
to know.
she advised me to go through this CAPS and all and join Elite Expertise. So
Okay.
I think she is the reason I joined Elite Expertise, and I was sure, I was 100% sure when I joined Elite Expertise that I will definitely crack this exam because the way Harika ma'am and Arif sir they teach, it's incredible. Seriously, like me, I was very weak in pharmacochemistry and as well as in
Okay.
pharmacology. So,
Okay.
like, I was very tensed even during my graduation also. I just used to, just rectification I used to do in pharmacology. But like when
Okay.
I joined Elite Expertise, Harika ma'am, Arif sir, but I have no words how I mean, I've never seen teachers like them in my entire life. And now
I know.
my all concepts are clear. So
Right.
I'm very
So, how you
happy and I'm
feeling?
really thankful to them.
Yeah. So, how you feeling about your success? Especially
And
since this is the last exam and from next year it will be Oprah, right? So, how you
yeah,
feeling
actually,
about it?
when I joined this and when I heard that CAPS is the last, I was like, this is do and die condition for me. First
I
and
know.
last. I never wanted to go for opera. I don't know
Okay.
why. And I really believed them from starting itself only. From the first day of the lecture itself, I was so happy and I was sure that definitely I will clear the exam because of Harika ma'am and Arif sir. They
Right.
make
So,
concepts so easy, like the
right.
pharmacology, how our body system works, and all everything. Even now, if they will ask me any question, na, I can answer. So much my concepts
Right.
are clear, and this is for
Yeah.
lifetime. All these concepts are
I
clear for lifetime.
Yeah. So, how was your preparation? Like, did you follow any specific strategies or resources that you found helpful that you might share?
Yeah, the in the app, the mocks were
Okay.
most important. Although I was not giving the mocks from start itself, I gave in the last 10 to 15 days only. And the lectures, the uploaded lectures, I mean, despite of Harika ma'am and Arif sir, even the entire back team, they also supported us throughout our journey. Like all the
Right.
lectures were uploaded in time, everything. I never faced any issues
Okay.
regarding app and all. Yeah. So.
So, could you describe a typical day while you were training for the CAPS exam? So, how was your typical day for when you were preparing for the exam? Could you please
Uh,
describe it?
like I used to study every day for 6 to 7 hours. That was
Okay.
my plan from the start itself.
Okay.
Plus, including the live lectures, I never miss the live lectures. And whatever
Okay.
Harika ma'am and Arif sir says, that only I used to study. I never go through anything else other than the handout and the mocks and the live lectures. I used to listen them
Right.
again and again and again. So that
Right.
made me
So,
clear my exam, and I'm really very happy and I'm really thankful to them.
you're welcome. So, were you also allocated some assignments during your preparation? So, how were your assignments?
Assignments are also good. Like the questions in assignments, they include each and every topic.
Okay.
They never in the assignments. I never saw that the teachers they missed anything. So
Okay.
everything is there in even the mocks, each and every topics are well covered.
Okay. So you cleared your CAPS exam despite of a 9 year gap, right? So do you think a person with 5 or 10 year gap can easily pass the exam, the Oprah exam?
Yeah, definitely. If they are with elite expertise, they can definitely clear the exam. I can guarantee this.
All
They can
right.
definitely
So
clear.
yeah. So do you have any message for Arif sir or Harika ma'am or the team elite expertise or
Yeah,
last
I
message that you would like?
really, yeah, sure. I really wish them all the best for their entire life also, and may they achieve great success in their life. They are doing best thing. I mean, in today's world, finding teachers like them is it's not possible.
I
I
know,
have
right?
never seen teachers like them, and I'm definitely sure I will never see teachers like them in future also. They are the best.
Thank you, thank you,
And congratulations to you also and the entire team also for the great
thank you
success.
so much. Thank you so much for your incredible words and for sparing this time to give us an interview.
Thank you so much, dear. Thanks to you also.
So that was Mohini Sharma. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications for more amazing stories and updates. Stay tuned.